Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. This week in my mosaic studio, I'm working on the design of Moses parting the sea. It measures about 30 inches by 75 inches. And here is where it is going, on this fountain between these two spillways in a courtyard at a church. I've already finished the first Moses mosaic, Moses striking the rock, and installed it. And this second one, which is Moses on the Nile River. Here's how far I am. Ta-da! I've been working on water, and that will continue because I have quite a bit of water to go. This week I'm going to work on getting those foamy parts in before I tackle this side. Let me get after it. I've just finished up this lovely big wave, and now I'm ready to finish up the rest of this water. And I have turned my table around so that I can reach it better. So I'll be working upside down for the rest of this. I may even start with these birds and then start over here and work my way over that way. And I'll probably do the same thing I did before, which is do the blues first and then work on the foam. That's it. Changed my mind. I'm doing the gold first. I'm so close to the end. Next week, I'm going to do a big push, and it's going to be mostly the dark blues. Can't wait to wrap it up. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.